Did you know some lights literally cannot turn on until dark? Meet Lumi, a tiny firefly completely convinced she is broken. Every single morning, Lumi tries to glow. Nothing. She eats more firefly food. Nothing. She does firefly yoga. Still nothing. She files a formal complaint with a beetle. The beetle does not care. Lumi watches the sun blazing across the meadow and thinks, that is what a real light looks like. So she tries harder. She strains. She squints. She Googles, why is my glow broken on a leaf? Zero results. Then one night, exhausted and embarrassed, she just stops trying. She sits in the dark and gives up completely. And the entire meadow lights up watching her. Because Lumi was never broken. She was just trying to shine at noon when she was literally built for midnight. And here is the small truth. Some gifts only activate in the dark. The reason yours has not shown up yet might simply be that you keep trying to shine at the wrong time. So tell me in the comments, what gift are you still waiting to activate?